Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to take notes with the Notion application. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your desktop client or just connect with your Notion account to your Notion web portal. After that you will need just to follow these simple steps. So here the first step that we need to do to create notes or just to take notes in Notion, we need first to create a new page. To do so, you will just click this plus sign and a new page will be created. Now you will need to give a title to this page. For example, just give it notes, and of course you can have some favicon to your notes or page like this. So, let's just search for book or notes, for example, book, and let's make it like that. And here you have, for example, the notes of a page notes, and here you can add some items or import like images, or you can make templates that will easier easen the taking notes, or you can just start with an empty page and start taking your notes. For example, you can start writing what you want here. For example, one, doing something. For example, two, you can format your text, having here like here, having text, making a heading, for example, step one, or I don't know, first thing. You can write whatever you want, add the style of text. You can make a bullet list. You can give comments, so you can have some notes about something here. You can do multiple things. So here, let's just select. You can give some formatting to your text. For example, making it bold, making it underlined, making it mark it as a code. So you can have some codes here. For example, uh, addition of two numbers in C language, for example. And here you will have like the include thing, like this, include it a studio, etc., and something, I don't know, and etc. So you select your text, you have it like that, and for example it will be remarked as a code. You can have multiple ideas to take notes. You can create, like, for example, a to-do lists. All you need just to write slash, and so you can have all the objects of the Notion application. You can ask the AI to write you something, or as you can see, brainstorm idea, blog post. There are many ideas or many features that you can use to create your notes and take your notes in Notion. If you want just the basic one, you can have like the basic blocks, like having only just a text, or you can, for example, as I said, let's start with the to-do list. Let's search here to slash to-do list. For example, you will have your to-do list here. You can give it, let's go back again, have it to-do list. You can give it what you want, like you have here, or doing thing one. And you can check it like this, and you will have multiple idea and multiple options that you can do to take your notes in Notion with this feature. Or for example, let's have our AI writing something, for example, notes. Just click notes and the AI will start things, and as you can see, it has already like learned to write or to continue our doing list or to-do list, etc. So basically this is, or those are the basics or the ways to take notes in a Notion application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.